My name is Yves. I'm co-founder of Aconity3D. We are a machine maker for flexible equipment of laser powder bed fusion machines as well as wire-based additive manufacturing machines. And we are partner for innovation. We support our customers to apply additive manufacturing, and ideally, in the long run, they buy equipment to start manufacturing in their own capacity.
Aconity has been around for more than a decade and has made its name worldwide in providing specialized additive manufacturing equipment that pushes the limits of what the technology can do in many different areas.
We came across the idea there is a need in the market for flexible machines who are tailored to bring an advantage to our industrial customers and which can also be likely used for evolving the technology in a research surrounding.
From the very early beginning in the academia space, where it has manifested itself as the by far market leader in state-of-the-art process research and material science, as one of the first companies, they offer a configurable building block that allows a customer to tailor a machine configuration to the part geometry, the application, the durability, and the cost structure that the customer needs.
We designed our machines with Autodesk Inventor. So as we grew, as we needed to make sure that our highly versatile products are well kept and well versionated, we also apply Autodesk Vault, which allows us to have our versions of our tools digitally. So we use Autodesk from A to Z basically, designing our machines, but also preparing our 3D printed parts for final application.
We are printing parts for customers as a service bureau, but also we are doing process studies for new materials, as well as testing of new equipment which we are developing, and also which we are testing for suppliers like the laser manufacturers. Our challenges in the application center is the two different approaches of developing new processes, but also having repeatable processes for regular part printing. The Autodesk software helps us to maintain a stable, already qualified process, to reproduce it every time, but also to use new features and different features like the ATU to do process development for new materials, but also for new equipment like new laser sources with other beam profiles.
Biggest challenges may be new materials which are not yet processable, which need special data preparation to be processed properly, or other process advanced techniques like high temperature preheating, for instance. Autodesk software, my biggest value is that it covers the whole tasks I need to perform. Whether it is the preparation for daily production of parts or fiddling around with single vectors to work on my research projects.
Autodesk is the only platform that allows you to make your machines and make parts with your machine. And we are very proud that Aconity has used our toolpathing kernels for over a decade now to print almost all of the thought-leading customer parts on our software stack, and also develop a lot of special applications in various industries, end-to-end with Autodesk Fusion and Autodesk NetFab. The synergy that the combination of machine builder and software manufacturer provides is very natural in other industries like subtractive machining or injection molding, and we are very proud that we are on the forefront to establish that in additive manufacturing too.